Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Oysters with balsamic pearls, shallots, tomatoes and lemon. These oysters are spectacular, bursting with flavorful and glistening balsamic pearls. Beautifully exquisite and fancy, but so easy to put together. These will surely impress. We're going to need a dozen shucked large oysters on their half shell. Remove as much liquid as you can from each oyster. We don't want to dilute the wonderful flavors we're serving the oyster with. Place the oysters back into the stand that they came with. This will help hold them in place. I have here one small and firm tomato. We're going to cut around the pulp and seeds. We just want the outer parts of the tomatoes. Dab the insides of the tomatoes to remove the juice with some paper towel. Finally, dice the tomatoes. We're going to need around a quarter cup. We're also going to need some shallots. Approximately 2 tablespoons of finely diced shallots. Squeeze 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. When you're ready to serve the oysters, mix the tomatoes and shallots in a bowl. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and lemon juice, mix to combine. You don't want to let this sit around for too long. It'll get watery from the salt. Here's a jar of balsamic pearls. Mine was gifted to me from Sticky Balsamic. Each pearl is filled with high-quality liquid balsamic. If you can't get the pearls where you are, swap the pearls with a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Spoon the tomato and shallots over the oysters. Here comes the most exciting part. Topping the oysters with these unique and tasty balsamic pearls. Let's finish this off with a small piece of fresh dill. And there you have it. They really look like restaurant quality oysters. Find a written guide for this recipe at 3catsfoodie.com. You will also find hundreds of other recipes there, all approved and loved by my family and friends. I would love your ongoing support. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.